How to create Uniswap account. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create Uniswap account. Uniswap wallet allows users to manage and swap tokens, build NFT collections and explore Web3 apps. Here's how you can create an account on Uniswap wallet. For that, you need to make sure you have downloaded Uniswap application on your mobile device. Now once you have done that, open your Uniswap application on your mobile device, and once it opens, you will land on this home page. Here you will see the button Create a Wallet. You will also get the option Add an existing wallet if you have already created an account on it. Now go ahead and tap on this Create a Wallet button, and now here you will be asked to choose your username. You can also tap on Maybe Later if you don't want to add your username right now. After adding your username, you can tap on this Continue button below, and here you will be asked to choose a profile photo. You can tap on this pencil icon right here and choose the photo from your device. If not, you can just tap on Continue at the bottom to proceed further. You can see the wallet has been created successfully. Now you can keep it safe by tapping on Let's Keep It Safe option at the bottom, and here you can choose the backup method. You can choose whether Google Drive backup or manual backup. If you choose manual backup, here you will see your recovery phase that you will need to keep in private. Tap on I'm ready. Make sure to keep it in a safe place. You can tap on this copy option at the top and copy it to your clipboard, and you may also note it down in a piece of paper. Now tap on this Continue button at the bottom. Here you will be asked to enter your recovery phase words. Once you have selected all the words, now tap on this Continue button at the bottom. Here if you want to turn on push notifications for Uniswap, you can tap on Enable. If not, you can also tap on this Maybe Later. Here if you want to add your biometrics, you can tap on Enable Biometrics and add your fingerprint. If not, you may also tap on this Maybe Later. Now wait for a while, and then you will see you have successfully created Uniswap account. Now you can swap your tokens, build NFT collections, and use various Web3 applications. So by following these steps, you should be able to create Uniswap account. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.